First law, if x is a non-zero real number and m and n are positive integers, then x raised to n, x raised to m is equal to x raised to n plus m. Ibig sabihin nito, kapag pareho yung variables, yung exponent, pag-addin lang natin. For example to, x raised to 2 times x raised to 3. Ito ang gagawin natin dyan. Pag-addin lang natin yung exponent. So yan ay x raised to 2 plus 3. And that is equal to x raised to 2 plus 3 is 5. Another example, yan. X raised to 2, y raised to 3, x, y raised to 2. So, kapag ganyan naman, pagsamahin lang natin yung magkaparehas na variable. So, ano magkaparehas? So, parang x. So, x cube, x square. Tapos x. Tapos y cube. Tapos y square. Then, pag-addin natin yung exponent ng x. Then, x. Then, 2. Tapos, yung walang exponent, automatic, may 1 doon. Plus 1. Then, sa y, 3 plus 2. And that is equal to x raised to 2 plus 1 is 3. And then yung y. Then yung y, 3 plus 2, 5. So, ang sagot is x cubed y raised to 5. Second law, if x and y are non-zero real numbers and m is a positive integer, then x raised to m raised to n is equal to x raised to m n. Okay, kapag ganito, example yan. So, yung exponent ng nasa loob tapos exponent na nasa labas, pag-multiply lang natin. For example to, a raised to 2 raised to 3. So, yan, magiging a raised to 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. So, yan ay magiging a raised to 6. Third law, if x and y are non-zero real numbers and m is a positive integer, then the quantity of x, y raised to m is equal to x raised to m raised to m. So, parang distributive property lang din. So, this distribute lang na. For example, to ab, the quantity of ab square. So, a square, b square. Parang distribute mo lang yung exponent. Fourth law, if x is a non-zero real number and m and n are positive integers, then, sa may dalawa, una, x raised to m over x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n if m is greater or equal to n. So, kapag mas malaki yung exponent ng numerator kasi sa denominator, pag minusin lang natin. Pero kapag mas maliit yung exponent ng numerator kasi sa denominator, so magiging 1 over x raised to n minus n yan. So, let's have an example. Example natin sa una. So, a raised to 5, a raised to 3. So, mas malaki yung exponent ng numerator kaysa sa denominator. So, yan ay magiging a raised to 5 minus 3. So, ganyan lang. And that is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Maging square siya. So, kanina, kapag multiplication, pag-addin natin. Pero dito, dahil division siya, pag ma-minusin natin. Okay, sa isa, malaki na exponent ng denominator kasi sa numerator. Then, ay magiging 1 over 3 is to 3 minus 2. So, pag minusin din natin, mauuna yung mas malaki. And that is equal to 1 over 3 minus 2 is 1. So, maging b na lang yan. Wala na exponent. Automatic may 1 yan. Pero hindi na natin ilagay. Law number 5. If x and y are non-zero real numbers and m is a positive integer, then the quantity of x over y raised to m is equal to x raised to m over y raised to m. So, parang kanina lang sa law number 3. Distribute lang din natin. For example, to the quantity of a over b squared. Then, ay magiging a raised to 2 over b raised to 2. So, ganyan lang. Basta magkaiba yung variables ng numerator at denominator. Pero paano kung magkaparehas? For example, m over m raised to 3. O di, m over m. So, that is 1 raised to 3. And 1 raised to 3 is 1 pa rin. Zero exponent. Any real number a except 0. So, kapag kahit anong number, maliban sa 0, na-erase mo sa 0, sagot ay 1. Okay. For example, to x raised to 0. So, 1 ang sagot dyan. 9 raised to 0. 1 ang sagot dyan. And yan. Kahit anong number yan, kahit anong variables yan, basta erase mo sa 0, ang sagot ay always 1. Pero kapag 0 raised to 0, syempre 0 yun. So, negative exponent. So, kapag yung a hindi 0 and n is any real number, so, for example yan, so a raised to negative n, so yan ay magiging 1 over a raised to n. Parang katulad din siya sa isang law sa law of exponent. I think law number 4 yun. Then, for example, a raised to negative 5. So, yan ay magiging 1 over a raised to 5. So, yung negative na exponent, magiging positive basta may denominator siya. Yung numerator niya is 1. So, another is x raised to negative n, then magiging 1 over x raised to n. Negative 6 raised to 0. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kahit anong number na erase mo sa 0, ang sagot ay always 1. Next, ito, 4 raised to negative 2 raised to negative 3. So, una, pag-multiply muna natin yung dalawang exponent. Then, ay 4 raised to negative 2 times negative 3. And that is equal to 4 raised to negative 2 times negative 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And 4 raised to 6 is 4,096. So, yan yung sagot. How about this? 2 raised to 2 to negative 3. So, gaya kanina, pag-multiply din natin yung mga exponent. Kaya maging 2 raised to 2 times negative 3. And then 2 times negative 3, yan ay negative 6. Dahil negative yan, and bawal ang negative na exponent, then magiging 1 over 2. Yung negative 6 may positive na yan. So, 1 over 2 over 6. But then, simplify pa natin. So, yan ay magiging 1 raised to 2 over 6. 2 raised to 6 is 64. So, yan na yung sagot. Next, 3/4 raised to negative 2. So, distribute din natin. Then, magiging 3 raised to negative 2 over 4 raised to negative 2. Okay, then bawal yung, ulitin ko, bawal ang negative na exponent. Then, ay magiging 1 over 3 raised to 2 over 1 over 4 raised to 2. Dami na. So, gagawin natin, kunin mo yung reciprocal ng denominator and then pag-multiply mo. Paano? Parang ganito. 1 over 3 raised to 2 times, may multiplication na yan. Then yung 1 over 4 raised to 2, balik na rin. So, 4 raised to 2 over 1. And then next, kunin mo natin yung 3 raised to 2 at 4 raised to 2. So, 3 raised to 2 is 3 times 3, 9. Times 4 raised to 2, 4 times 4, 16. 16 over 1. Okay, pag-multiply na natin. So, 1 times 16 is 16. Then 9 times 1 is 9, obviously. Okay, may lowest term pa ba yan? So, wala na. So, yun na yung sagot. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.